Isabelle Dupuis, and I'm working at the American University of Paris in France. And I'm in charge of interlibrary loan and in the user services department. It's the 5th time I attended an Amical conference, and I had a presentation yesterday about how can I share, in my field of work, how can we make this possible to exchange for free some articles for students, faculty and staff.
My name is Fatima Sharafuddin. I'm from the American University of Beirut in Lebanon, and I'm here for the Amical conference 2018. The conference started very well, and the organization is just as expected and needed, and people are very friendly and helpful, and everything is on time and schedule is going on.
I'm Philip Kroom. I'm from the American University in Cairo. First of all, I think the setting is very nice. I like this building. I think it lends itself very well, probably to all the educational endeavors, but certainly to the conference. It's nice. It's convenient to go up and downstairs, etc. I like the cultural event. I thought that was very creative. The food is good. It's things I don't know, so it's kind of a discovery. And I'm having a very nice time.
So my name is Aziz El Hassani. I'm from Morocco. I'm representing Al Akhawain University in Iran. My experience in Bishkek and the city is very amazing. I love the place, I love the country. The people are so kind and so nice, very helpful. And it is very amazing. Anybody who visits Bishkek will fall in love with the city, so it's so interesting. The campus, American University in Central Asia, is so amazing. We are very impressed about the quality of education and the engagement of students in different disciplines. And the library is so great. We're librarian. We're so interested to see how libraries work in other institutions.
Hello, my name is Robbie Robinson. I'm from the American University of Paris. The day has been good. The weather's nice. Everything's good. Yeah. So we started out at the digital toolkit workshop, and where we learned about a lot of the different tools that we can use within the classroom. So the facilities were really nice in terms of the room, just because there was 2 whiteboards, a projector, and computers for everyone to use. And for me, that's the perfect setup for any type of workshop like that. And the workshop itself was awesome. We left with a lot of things to take back to the university to implement. So that was a success. There was a cultural program downstairs over here where we had this crazy gentleman who did this passionate story, almost like an epic. I don't know what he was saying, but it sounded very, very interesting and involved. And he does it for like 13 hours, and he condensed a piece of it for 15 minutes for us. I thought that was awesome.